Hello guys, in today's video I present the unique and one-of-a-kind, the toughest tiny pocket-sized 5G smartphone on the planet with a thermal imaging camera. Although it's small, it's actually very big and strong in its abilities. In addition to its indestructibility and resistance, there is also a small but powerful 4.7-inch 90Hz display, the Mazda 6300 5G processor, up to 16GB of RAM, 6200 mAh battery, advanced FLIR thermal imaging camera, and a lot more, so be sure to watch this Ulefone Armor Mini 23 Pro video review. Along with the Armor Mini 23 Pro, we also got this Armor 20 series multi-purpose body camera holder case. This original Ulefone case intended for this smartphone is sold separately, and we will look at it a little later. The smartphone is packed in its distinctive Armor series box, featuring a body yellow color and metallic details that represent durability and strength. In addition to the smartphone itself, we find a lot of things in the box, a lot of paperwork, including the Armor Mini 23 Pro user manual written in many different languages, multifunctional instructions, and a bunch of other instructions for the smartphone, as well as this brochure that shows all the accessories you can buy in the Ulefone assortment, such as the various endoscopic cameras, digital microscopes, cases and holders, phone mounts, and much more that Ulefone offers. We can still find the additional screen protector in the box, which is a tempered glass, even though the smartphone has a factory installed screen protector. There is also a strap for secure phone handling, a red USB Type-C cable for fast charging, a 33-watt fast charger. This complete set of accessories enhance the phone's rugged capabilities, making it the top contender in the market. The Ulefone Armor Mini 23 Pro stands out in a rugged phone category due to its super compact size, designed to fit comfortably in one hand or a pocket, making it an excellent choice for those who want durability without the bulk. Its 4.7-inch display and a slim reinforced frame offer a rare combination of portability and ruggedness, ideal for users who need a durable device or prefer a small, more manageable form factor. So the front of the device features a 4.7-inch display bordered by the thick bezels that protect the screen from direct impacts. This bezel protection is further enhanced by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, giving it a tough look and feel while keeping the screen visible in various light conditions. The phone's back has a structured, slightly industrial design with visible screws, which signifies durability and practical utility. On the back, you also notice this standout FLIR thermal camera set alongside its primary camera in a reinforced module. This setup, combined with a powerful 500 lumen flashlight, is designed for professionals who need reliable tools in challenging environments. So on the right side of the metal frame, we have three metal buttons. These two are the round volume buttons. Below it's a power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. On the left side there is a slot for two 5G SIM cards, or for the option of one SIM card and a micro SD card of up to 2 TB. A little over, you notice this orange programmable button here, which can be personalized to execute three functions with the phone or compatible applications, such as a PTTZ walkie-talkie function. This button can be activated with a one-click, double-click, or a long press. At the bottom there is USB-C port for charging. At the top, the phone includes a 3.5mm headphone jack and the infrared blaster. As with the other models in the Ulefone Armor series, the Armor Mini 23 Pro can function as a universal remote control for your home, allowing you to manage devices such as air conditioners, televisions, and hi-fi stereo system through the app on the phone. It can control any device with infrared connectivity, making it highly versatile. This feature is extremely practical and significantly enhances the phone's value. The Armor Mini 23 Pro showcases the ultra-compact 4.7-inch display with a 720 by 1600 pixel resolution and a pixel density of 373 ppi, delivering sharp and vibrant visuals. It also features a 700 nits maximal brightness for excellent visibility in outdoor sunlight. It also has a 90 Hz refresh rate for smoother visuals. Protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, the display is designed to resist scratches and impacts while featuring a holophobic coating to repel fingerprints. It also supports touch input with gloves, enhancing usability in various conditions. At the top of the display we have a proximity sensor, light sensors and the LED notification light, while the center punch hole houses a high-quality 32 megapixel front camera. This camera is ideal for sharp selfies and HD video calls and includes a face unlock functionality for convenient and secure access. The vibrant display and satisfactory black levels deliver a commendable contrast ratio which significantly enhance color representation. Colors appeal accurate, vivid and crisp, ensuring an enjoyable viewing experience. For users with moderate expectations, the screen is really well suited for daily web browsing, social media activities and even extended YouTube video seasons. Now let's take a look at the back of the phone now. There is at the bottom you see these grills for very loud speakers, and up above the impressive design back camera module with LED lights. The Ulefone Armor Mini 23 Pro includes a powerful set of LED lights tailored as a rugged practical use. Its primary LED produces up to 500 lumens, providing ample brightness for various outdoor scenarios like camping, working and low light or emergency situations. Equipped with 130 individual LEDs and 5-watt max power, this versatile light setup is not only bright but also highly energy efficient, ensuring longevity even during prolonged use. But the innovation goes beyond this. Get ready for being impressed, as this smartphone goes a step further by integrating red and blue warning LED lights, lights similar to those seen on police cars. In times of emergency, these attention-grabbing lights can be activated to signal for assistance. The powerful brightness acts as a crucial aid, improving safety and visibility when needed the most. Additionally, there is a wide range of alarm and the warning sounds available, which come out of the very loud rear speaker. Now, let's see these interesting features in action. The Ulefone Armor Mini 23 Pro is designed not just for durability but also for robust imaging capabilities. Features a FLIR thermal imaging camera that adds a unique layer of functionality to the device, making it stand out in the rugged smartphone market. This thermal camera boasts a resolution of 160 by 120 pixels and operates as a frame rate of 25 Hz, which is suitable for a variety of applications such as thermal inspections. This FLIR technology allows the camera to visualize heat patterns from 10 to 450 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for detection temperature differences in objects and environments. So the integration of this FLIR camera in Armor Mini 23 Pro not only enhances its utility but also aligns with the growing trend of multifunctional smartphones that cater to both everyday consumers and specialized professionals markets. The phone also features a 50 megapixel main rear camera with the Samsung ISOCELL GN1 sensor, which allows for high resolution photography, capturing detailed images in various light conditions. The camera is enhanced by a dual LED flashlight, making it effective for low-light photography and ensuring that your images remain clear and vibrant even after dark. In addition to this, the Armor Mini 23 Pro excels in video recording as well. It supports video capture and 2K resolution, allowing users to create high-quality videos. To get a feel for camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using this phone, so let's take a look. The Armor Mini 23 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G chipset, renowned for its exceptional performance and efficiently built on a 6nm process. This chipset combines power and efficiently, effortlessly handled everyday multitasking and demanding gaming. The 8-core CPU and advanced ARM G57 MC2 GPU ensure smooth and lag-free performance across various applications, tasks and gaming. With robust 5G connectivity, the Dimensity 6300 chipset facilitates swift and seamless streaming, calls and internet browsing, enhancing your connectivity experience. Whether you are managing multiple apps or engaging in intensive gaming seasons, the Armor Mini 23 Pro delivers the speed and reliability you need. This phone boasts a substantial 8GB of base RAM, expandable to 16GB with additional 8GB of virtual RAM, ensuring even faster and more efficient multitasking. It also offers a generous 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage, providing ample space for photos, music files and applications. It adeptly handles most games available on Google Play Store, including demanding titles. Running on the latest Android 14 operating system, the Armor Mini 23 Pro features a clean, intuitive user interface with the new themes, AI-generated wallpapers, and privacy updates for safeguarding your health, safety and data. The phone comes with a free bloatware pre-installed with essential Google applications for a streamlined experience and seamless integration to the Google ecosystem. Additionally, practical tools include a System Manager Optimizer and the always useful toolbox, alongside with the classic wireless FM radio. Notable features of the Armor Mini 23 Pro include NFC support for convenient Google Pay transactions, Bluetooth 5.2 for enhanced connectivity, and robust GPS system with a multi-satellite network support, so you always know where you are and where you are going. The phone excels in reliability for calls, data transfers, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Although small, the Armor Mini 23 Pro is equipped by its size standards with a massive 6200 mAh battery, ensuring extended periods of gaming or entertainment without frequent charging, with support for 33W wireless charging and a 50W wireless charging, so you can quickly power up. Single charge provides up to 336 hours on standby time, 34 hours on talk time, and 22 hours of continuous video playback. This powerful battery ensures you are ready for both daily activities and extended adventures without worrying about running out of power. And almost forgot to mention one of the very important things, which is the Armor 23 Pro proudly holds the IP68 and IP69K rating, significantly its ability to withstand immersion in water of up to depth of 2 meters for 30 minutes, while also demonstrating resistance to both dust and water intrusion. Additionally, it successfully meets the rigorous MIL-STD 810H military standard, confirms the device's ultimate resistance in exceptional harsh conditions. While from the front, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus screen incorporates 4x scratch resistance and can survive drops of up to 2 meters, providing higher durability against damages and breakage from scratches, drops and impacts. Let's not forget this accessory that you can buy. Additionally, this body camera holder for the Ulefone Armor Mini 23 Pro is a specialized accessory designed to enhance the usability of the smartphone, particularly in professional and active environments. This holder allows users to secure attach the phone or to the body, making it ideal for hands-free operation while engaging in various tasks. The holder provides a quick access to the phone's camera and controls, allowing users to capture photos and videos on the go without having to remove the device from the holder. The Ulefone Armor Mini 23 Pro is a super compact smartphone that excels in delivering functionality and durability, specifically designed for one-handed use. Its compact build, robust constructions, and the intuitive interface make it ideal for users who need a reliable device in demanding environments. With features like a FLIR thermal camera, powerful LED lights, and versatile accessories such as the body camera holder, this smartphone is tailored for both everyday users and professionals require practical tools for various applications. The design promotes easy handling without sacrificing performance or utility, making it a final choice for those seeking a rugged yet highly functional 5G device. If you're impressed by this unique look, great features and capabilities of the Armor Mini 23 Pro, and I know you are after this review, don't miss your chance to take advantage of the promotional pricing available now. The official sales links are available below this video, so act quickly and get your brand new Ulefone Armor Mini 23 Pro today while you have a chance. Thank you for watching, feel free to click like and even subscribe, and we'll see you soon in the next video review. Until then, bye.